How to use have and has in conversations. Have. Have is usually used with pronouns such as I have, you have, they have, we have. So I have 2 books. You don't say I has 2 books. You say I have 2 books. You have. You have a lovely smile. They have. They have arrived. They have arrived. Now we have. Yes, we have arrived. Next, has. Has is usually used with pronouns such as she, he, and it. So she has. She has gone to school. He has. He has the ball. Now it has. It has 4 sides. Have is usually used with plural nouns, and has is used with singular nouns in sentences. Examples: consider these two questions. Has the book been returned, or have the book been returned? Which one do you think is the right way to ask the question? So book is a noun, and this is a singular form of book. And here with have, it's also a singular form of book. So has goes with singular noun. So the first one is the correct way to frame the question. So has the book been returned, not have the book been returned. Next, has the books been returned, or have the books been returned? Consider the nouns book. Is it plural or singular? So if it's singular, you go with has, and if it's plural, you go with have. So that makes this the correct answer. Have the books been returned? She has returned the book. And remember, the pronoun she always goes with has. So she has returned the books regardless of the form of noun, whether singular or plural. So she has returned the books, or she has returned the book. You don't say she have returned the books. She always goes with has. Is it I has returned the book, or I have returned the book? Remember, I always goes with have. So it's I have returned the book.